Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Levi and this is Yacht Club Lee's Garage. If you do want to, send me a shout out or whatnot, hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that way you can get that notification every time I upload some photos or whatnot. And this right here is actually the second project that I'm talking about of my last videos. This is my 1964 Chevrolet Impala.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right. My Impala isn't too bad. It actually just has a little bit of surface rust on here. This is going to be my next project that I will be working on for the channel. I actually found it in a guy's front yard. It had been sitting for about, I'd say, 9 years or so. That's all, well, it comes with these lovely 13x7 Roadster rusters and whatnot. That's not any rust or anything like that. That's just actually moss growing and surface rust from where they've been sitting. Definitely have some big plans for this beautiful thing right here. I've actually been looking at this car since I've been like 13 years old and I actually found one locally or whatnot. Let's take a look at the interior. The previous owner actually had went ahead and upgraded the whole interior to this white leather interior. I am going to do something with these door panels as well as get some new hardware, repaint the dash also as well. But I think I should be able to salvage these seats. I'm going to see later on today if I can bring them to life a little bit and get them cleaned up pretty much. It did have, I did vacuum a little bit. It did have a good 9 years worth of rat poo everywhere, so I'm definitely going to shampoo this carpet and also either spray it out or do something with it. Top has just been sitting. It's just dirt, mold. Sitting. I am going to remove these. I do actually have a set of Daytons that I'm going to put on these, but the Daytons are almost just as in, well, a little bit better condition. I am going to go through the process of restoring them. I'm trying to actually find a company that can restore them for cheaper than the actual Dayton Wheel Company. The brand new D's, they're running about, I'd say like $750 each. And then to restore them, they quoted me at, I think it was like $565 each. And the ones that I do have currently have gold plating on them, but they don't do gold plating. You have to outsource it. So once I do get them restored and decide to go with them, I got to ship them out, and then they're going to redo everything, make them look factory fresh and brand new, but it's going to be triple plated chrome. In the meantime, I actually went up to Dover, Delaware, I would say about maybe a month ago, and picked up some old school Cragar plates. And when I say plates, I'm talking about these dinner plates right here. I mean, not a bad Craigslist find for about 250 bucks and maybe about $50 in tolls. I do have to actually put them on the rest of the car, but with this crazy Virginia weather, I mean, today's the first day we've actually had a break in the weather, so the ground is, as you can see, a little muddy and a little slushy, so I'm gonna have to probably stop by Home Depot later today and then go ahead and sit that down and get that jack on top of that just to jack the car up and get it done. See what else we got here. And there are the rest of them there, which actually, I mean, like I said, tires are all right. Not too much. Got a little bit of surface rust on them, nothing too bad. All in all, for some nice rollers for 250 bucks, I can't complain at all. These are direct bolt-ons, and I am going to do a future video on traditional Zeniths and Daytons as opposed to direct bolts, in which we can explore the, the capabilities for those that don't know and that's not in the community. These are knockoffs right here, and yes, these are authentic Daytons. These are direct bolts, and with, pull that out here, see if I can hold this phone there. That one's really on there pretty tight, which I'm going to need a knockoff hammer to actually use. This one's actually a little more manageable. When I say knockoff, these actually bolt to the hub of your wheel. Excuse me, your drum. Sorry. And they go on, and then the wheel goes on. And yeah, that's how you know that they're real right there. Plus the weight. The weight is like super heavy also as well. I also just so happened was searching Facebook Marketplace for some deals, and then came across a guy that actually had some Black Friday sale stuff up for sale, and I ended up picking up some audio for this car also as well. It's not the best, but it's also brand new, still in the box with the factory receipt, and they are the Pioneer head unit as well as the 6x9s and the 6.5s. So not too bad of a find, not bad at all. I'd say for 35 bucks, I mean, heck, you can't beat that at all. Can't beat that with a stick. In terms of rust, it's actually not too bad. There is a little bit of bubbling here and there. Also just around the trim pieces right here. Factory floors and trunk is all good. Like I said, minus the surface rust that's up on here. I am going to have to redo this deck lid in here, and actually I'm going to have to take some glue gun and get this film right off of the windows here. You already know what that's about. Tear up on the door. It does not have the original engine in it. It actually has, let me see if I can get this open for you here. See if you can get up under there. The hinges are actually need to be replaced, so let's see if you can get it there. It is not the original engine. It's not a 327, nor is it a 283. It's actually an upgraded 350 with a mild cam. And I do have a ton of other parts to go up in here. New carburetor. I've already ordered the new fuel sending unit as well as the gas tank. A ton of extra Edelbrock parts also. And stay tuned. We'll see what we can do. But yeah, it's about to go down.